Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect PayPal to your Big Cartel store. So let's get right into it. Now, in my case, I don't have a PayPal account. However, PayPal, as far as I'm aware, is available globally for Big Cartel. It might not be in a couple of different countries, but in my case it is. So if it's available in my country, I'm pretty sure it's available everywhere. Of course, in the big countries like the US, EU, UK, wherever it will be available as a payment option. And what you need to do to set it up after you log into your account and get to your panel or your dashboard, you need to go and click on account in the top right. Here you'll have all your store and site settings as well as your account settings. And what you need to do once you're here is just scroll down until you get to a segment that says get paid, which should be right under location and currency. So all you need to do is click here to set up your payment options, and then you'll have to go and click here to connect to PayPal. Once you do that, it'll open up a new pop-up window where you'll have to verify your account with security checks. As you can see, it'll automatically perform the check. Once that's done, you'll be able to enter your credentials. You'll need to enter your email and you'll need to enter your country or region. And here you can see all the countries and regions which are available to you. And yeah, once you do that, you can just log in and that should be pretty much it. And once that's done, your customers will be able to pay you through PayPal. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.